Alright guys, it's finally time. Oh man, I'm so excited. It's been like over a month, I think, since I rode the Motocompacto. Finally got it painted, championship white, the red Honda lettering. Looks so sick. But today, just now, got the package from Sweidit. Let's go. Handlebars. You guys know I love Alcantara. And oh my god, it looks so good. Look at this. Black Alcantara, red stitching. Alright, let's put it on here. Oh my god. It looks so good. Alright, what side is this? I don't know what side it is. Man, it looks much better than that brown leather. And it matches my interior now, if you guys don't know. Full Alcantara, you know. And I gotta get some pictures over to Sweidit. A lot of people tell me that in photos it's hard to tell that it's painted, but when you see it side by side next to a factory white plastic one, you can definitely tell the difference. I think the paint makes it pop a lot, and also the handles and seats just go above and beyond. Let me know what you guys think of the Motocompacto now.